This video is produced to train you on the use of ArtiSential, a multi-joint, multi-degree of freedom, laparoscopic, surgical instrument. Before we get into the details of training, let's learn about the assembly of the ArtiSential specific training kit used for training. The components of the ArtiSential training kit are shown above. First, pick up the side plate, which is in the format of a combination of two fan-shaped plates. Rotate one plate, as shown, so that the two fans overlap to form a trapezoid. Join the protruding section of the base plate to the bottom hole of the side plate in this state. Referring to the on-screen orientation as the guide, insert the side plates onto the left and right sides. In this state, put the screws through the hinges attached to the side plates to secure them to the base plate. Repeat the same for the left and right sides. Once the side plates are joined, attach the transparent front plate by sliding it into the holes on both side plates. At this time, if you look at the joints of the front and side plates, you'll see a hole in the bulging part at each joint. This is where you will insert the fixation parts of the side plate. Orient the fixation parts such that the step-shaped side is facing outward and the smooth side is facing inward. At this time, holding parts such that the open side of the part is facing outward and push in the part about halfway into the hole. Repeat for all four fixation parts. Next, we'll learn about angle adjustment and securing methods. Let's set the basic angle of the training kit. Insert the plastic bolts for securing the angle into the holes situated at the far end of side plate among the several holes of the side plate, and repeat for the left and right sides. Then, hook the rubber ring for securing the plate into the bottom bulging part of the joint between the side plate and the base plate. Repeat for all four bottom sections. We completed assembly of all of the large frames of the training kit. We will now join the frame for attachment of the modules for each training course. There are 4 of these frames, and the shapes of each of these bottom frames differ. Accordingly, please refer to the instruction video. The holes for installation of the frames on the bottom plate are divided into 2 sections to allow adjustment of the positions of the modules. The basic location is the section further away from the faceplate, and we will execute installation at this section in this training session. Insert one frame for attachment of module into the 2 large vertical holes situated at the center of the zone. At this time, use the frame without the LIVSMED logo for the bottom module. Now, insert the left and right frames in the same way as the front. Let's attach a phone camera mount for filming, which can be used as needed. Align and insert the mount into the 3 holes on the front plate with the curved side facing upward. Lastly, insert the cylindrical plastic component that functions as the trocar during surgery into the 2 silicone rings on top. At this time, take precautions in making sure that the silicone is situated between the 2 non-slip plates on the column of the trocar. You have now completed the assembly of a basic ArtiSential training kit.